Hey guys, welcome to ReviewBreaker. This is a review on 999 plus ringtones. This is an amazing application in which you find more than 999 ringtones of various categories and amazing effects. Now let me walk you through the app. You have the list of categories here. There are more than 15 categories. Now let me try one. You have 61 ringtones under chime spells. Now let me try playing one. The effects are amazing and the sound quality is also great. Now let me try playing another ringtone from a different category. Let's try. That was great, isn't it? To set it as your ringtone, you have to click on the settings icon. And you have options using which you can make it your default phone ringtone or your alarm tone or a notification tone. So what are you waiting for? Download this amazing application and enjoy amazing ringtones on your phone. This wonderful application is available for free in the Google Play Store. Thank you. We hope the review was informative. Keep watching this channel for breaking reviews.